Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Silicone is used to produce durable, flexible molds that won't stick to the object being molded. While there are many silicone products made specifically for mold making, you can achieve the same results with standard 100% or outdoor silicone caulk. It is basically the same product.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The release agent forms a thin film that lubricates the mold so the concrete will slip right out once it has dried. You can purchase a release agent made specifically for concrete molds, or make your own by mixing 1 part castor oil with 8 parts denatured alcohol. Shake the mixture well before spraying the mold.
Take our lead.
Uncoated wood is routinely used to make large molds for curbs and house footings. After curing, the concrete will unstick from the wood relatively easily. But using wood coated with a slick surface will make the release even easier. For this, 3/4 inch thick MDF board topped with melamine is ideal.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Paint. Paint is another material that has no natural bonding agents, so concrete generally won't stick to it very well. Oil or oiled surfaces are often used to make the surface resistant to concrete bonding.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.